State House. And those people have the capacity to allow for a vote. So we can tax millionaires who are getting the biggest tax breaks in the history of this country at the same time you on a picket line for 1%. You have the capacity in this moment to create better conditions for better negotiations. I am asking you to commit to a movement of building it with your siblings here and connecting it to the families that you provide service to and keeping it connected and grounded into this community. The mayor of Springfield should be on this picket line because he knows you are valuable to his city. Every city council member in Springfield should be here picketing with you because they understand the value you provide to this city. But the only way they know that is when we knock on their doors and tell them that millionaires should be paying more. So there's more opportunity for their children to attend this higher education space. You get to do that. You get to knock the door. You get to make a phone call. You get to make a legislature, a governor be responsible for putting their money where their mouths continue to lie. We need a millionaire's tax.
Yes.
I need your commitment that not only are we going to win this contract, but we're going to win that tax.
Yeah.
I need your commitment that we don't win a contract only. Unionism is too powerful for just bread and butter. Unionism, the type of unionism that I come from, see, my ancestors picked cotton unwillingly. That's labor. But the people that I come from, you know what they did? They allied themselves with abolitionists, white ones, black ones, women, leaders. And they created the capacity for a general strike. And that general strike kneecapped the Confederacy. It enabled the liberation of my people and the 13th Amendment and the 14th Amendment and the 15th Amendment. They created the capacity for DEI through the Freedmen's Bureau. White women got jobs outside their homes. What I am telling you is that when workers make a stand and take a strike, they transform. So don't let people tell you it's only about a contract. It is actually about the making of America, the expansion of democracy, the ability of all of us to get a little more for our sacrifice. So, UPI, I need you to commit to a fight that enables liberation, that enables the rich to pay their fair share, and that enables contracts that provide plenty for all of us. Are you with us?
Yeah.
So when we go to the Capitol, you make sure you tell them that millionaires, the rich, have to pay their fair share, so I don't have to be on this picket line. I love you. I am encouraged by you. I am inspired by you. I am fed by you. Our democracy is supported by you. And I am with you, and every single member of 100,000 membership is with you. Let's land this contract, but even more so, let's win our liberation.